welcome everyone on my channel. I hope you are doing great in your life. So today in this video I would be talking about my experience of being a tutor, or rather you can say my experience for the journey of being a teacher at Uday Academy. So I don't know that is Uday Academy or not, but the name is Uday, and on Google if you would find out, it is said to be India's one of the largest community for kids. And so I don't know when I had forwarded my resume or applied, but certainly day before yesterday I did get a call from Uday, and I wasn't aware of where have I applied, but I must have, I thought. So I attended the call and I asked a bit about the company, and then she said that have you applied as a teacher? Then I said I was literally, to be very honest, I was not aware that have I or have I not, because I am right now preparing my examinations, and I must have lost track of that. So she was literally a very pleasing personality, and she said that if it is okay, can we have a telephonic interview right now. So it was a random thing. I was not expecting to happen in that way, but I was like, okay, sure, we can have a telephonic conversation or a telephonic interview right now. It went really well. It was for around 15 to 20 minutes, in which she asked about myself, why I am passionate about teacher, and in case I am tutoring, then why I am not applying as a trainer, why I am choosing as a teacher. There were certain questions which she asked, and also the very interesting part in that conversation was she took the role of being a child, and I had to recreate as if I am in a hypothetical scenario in which I am actually taking a class. So she was literally impressed, because I did not get a lot of time for the preparation, and she was literally impressed that I really did it well. Also she asked me to change my teaching pattern, and I did so, and I incorporated different examples, and well, she was impressed with this thing. Now she told me that there would be a video interview, or the second round there would be, and she said that I should forward my mail ID on her WhatsApp number, or I should forward my resume. So I did so, and after that I got a mail from Uday, and which was about saying that I have cleared my telephonic round, and I'm all ready for my second round for interview. And it consisted of 4 steps, which had certain tutorial videos, as well as there was a PPT presentation which I had to give. So anyways, before starting the video, I had already said that my examinations are going on, and I was not very prepared. Rather, I would rather say that I did not get enough time for any preparation. I just browsed whatever I could in a very short span of time, and I looked on that videos and PPT for a very short duration. Now the next day, that is today, I got a call from Uday, in which it was all about I'm going to have a Zoom meeting, or I would rather say that it was a demo session in which I was about to be assessed, and yes, it was on a Zoom meeting. So I logged in from my phone, and I got to know that they do not allow login from phone. So I was asked to log in from my laptop, since I did not have Zoom application on my laptop. So it was taking time, and I was rescheduled another time. So I installed the Zoom application, and yes, I was very sure that yes, I must have made the interviewer a bit dilemmatic about me, because I had not installed well, or I was not really prepared about the institution and everything. So I got this vibes earlier. So the demo session started, and definitely the girl who was taking the demo session, she was again a very pleasing personality, and we had a very interactive session in which again I got this role of being a teacher, and she acted as a student, and I had to give the preparation. So here Zoom meeting I had not conducted before, and it was my first in hand experience of conducting a Zoom meeting in which I am a tutor, and that too from laptop. I generally use Zoom ID from my phone, and it's very convenient for me to share screen, but from laptop it was definitely a very first experience for me, and I was not really aware how to do screen sharing. So the girl who was taking my demo, she was very patient enough to tell me how to start screen sharing and all that. So I ended the session and it went really nice. We even had a conversation and she was nice. I would say that the recruiters were literally very pleasant person, and she told me that I would be informed today itself that I am selected or not. But I got this vibe that maybe I have screwed a lot because I did not really prepare well. I hadn't looked well at the PPTs and so on and so forth, because definitely I am right now in the mid of my college examination, and I'm having right now 2 examinations a day, and getting an interview call right now was something which I wasn't expecting at all, and my entire priority was different. That is on my examinations. So I had somewhere deep down that maybe I might get selected and maybe I might not. It was a 50-50 ratio. So in the evening I was a bit disheartened to get a mail from Uday that they regret to inform that I am not selected for the second round, but there is a cooling period of 1 month and I can apply again. So I literally went to their website and I found that yes, they offer a wonderful learning platform, and that's amazing. And yes, if you want to join as a teacher on Uday, definitely you should apply and you should do that process. It's very simple and it's easy, and if you have prepared well, definitely you would get selected. It's not that difficult as such, because I did not literally look at the links properly or the PPT properly or their entire website. And I also screwed up with a Zoom meeting. That is another story altogether. So if you are looking forward for working from home, or if you are interested or passionate about teaching and you are good at maths and English, definitely you should give a shot on Uday website. And for me it was definitely a learning experience, and I literally loved that telephonic interview round as well as the video round in which I was interviewed. So this was altogether a learning experience for me. It was, as a fresher, it was definitely something which gave me lot of insights and the lacunas where I am facing. For example, if I would be going for another interview, now I know what are the areas which I need to work, what all things I need to take care of, and what I need to avoid. So when you give a lot of interview rounds, it it takes you out of the bubble and it gives you an exposure. So definitely you should apply. And if you are looking forward for teaching, you are passionate about it, looking for working from your home, and if you want to dedicate it 2 to 4 hours, I mean they ask for 4 hours I think a day. So if you can devote 4 hours or whatever timing I'm not really very sure of, if you are having that much time to dedicate, then definitely Uday is a wonderful platform you can begin with. And also I think the salary they are providing to the teacher is wonderful to work from home and to follow your passionate. So that's it. I hope this video is useful to you, and in case you have not subscribed to my channel, you can do so. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys.